Hello everyone. In this lecture we are going to solve some more example of exact differential equation. As you know, in the last lecture we have studied the one theorem. That theorem says that if we have given differential equation in the form of mdx plus ndy equals to 0, then this differential equation we call exact if it satisfies this condition, that is del m by del y is equals to del n by del x. Now here we have given this differential equation and we test whether it is exact or not. So we use this condition. For that I just rewrite this equation, that is x raised to the power 4 2xy square plus y raised to the power 4 dx. If we shift this bracket into left hand side, then it is minus 2x square y minus 4x y cube plus sin y 4 dy equals to 0. Now compare this differential equation with this general form. Then the coefficient of dx is m equals to x raised to the power 4 minus twice x y square plus y raised to the power 4. Similarly equate the coefficient of dy, then here we get n is equals to minus in bracket 2x square y minus 4x y cube plus sin y plus 4. To test whether the given differential equation is exact or not, for that we have to differentiate m and n partially with respect to y and x respectively. So if we differentiate m partially with respect to y, then we get here partial derivative, that means we are keeping x as a constant and taking the derivative of with respect to y. So here the first term is constant, the derivative is 0. Derivative of second term partially with respect to y is minus 4x y plus derivative of y raised to the power 4 is 4y raised to the power 3. Similarly, we have to differentiate n partially with respect to x. That means we have to keep y as a constant. So it is minus in bracket derivative of first term with respect to x. So it is 4x y as it is. Derivative of second term, it is minus 4 y cube. And derivative of sine is 0 because we are taking derivative partially with respect to x. So y is constant. So derivative of sine y is 0. Derivative of 4 is again 0. Now see here, if we multiply by minus sign, then we get it is minus 4xy plus 4y cube. And if we observe the derivative of del m by del y, it is similar as derivative of n with respect to x. So therefore, del m by del y is equals to del n by del x. And if our given differential equation satisfying this condition, then this implies given differential equation is exact. Now once we prove that the given differential is exact, then we can solve that differential equation with the help of solution of exact differential equation. And we know that the solution of exact differential equation is integration of m dx. Here we are taking y constant plus integration of n dy equals to c. In this second integral we are taking n which not contain n, not contain x टर्म. तो जिस टर्म के अंदर x है उस टर्म को आपको स्किप करना है और रिमेनिंग विदाउट कंटेनिंग x वाला टर्म यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. Now here put the value of m and n from our given differential equation. See here m is this one. So x raised to the power 4 minus twice x y square plus y raised to the power 4 dx. Here again y is constant plus integration of n. From n we have to take the term which is not contain x. So from equation, here first term contain x, so we have to skip this term. Second term is again contain x. तो जिस टर्म में x है उसको हमें लेना नहीं है. तो लास्ट टू टर्म्स कैसे है, साइन y प्लस 4 विदाउट कंटेनिंग x है. तो इस टर्म को अगर हम यहाँ पे लिखते हैं तो हियर इट इज़ माइनस साइन y minus 4 dy equals to c. Here ये जो माइनस साइन है इससे मल्टीप्लाई करके हमारा ये dx का एक्चुअली कोएफिशिएंट है, इसीलिए हमने यहाँ पे माइनस साइन वाई -4 इंटू डी वाई इक्वल्स टू सी लिखा है. नाउ इंटीग्रेट दिस टर्म. तो हियर इंटीग्रेशन पार्शियली एक्स से हो रहा है, तो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ एक्स रेज टू पावर 4 इज एक्स रेज टू पावर 5/5 माइनस हियर 2 and y square is constant because we are integrating with respect to x keeping y as a constant. So here 2y square is outside. Integration of x is x square by 2 plus y raised to power 4 as it is. Integration of dx is x plus here integration of right hand side term. So integration of minus sin y is cos y and integration of -4 is -4y plus integrating constant c as it is. So this is our final answer. In the next term you may simplify this term. Here 2 get cancelled, so we can write x raised to power 5/5 y square x square plus x y raised to power 4 plus cos y minus 4 times y equals to c. This is our final solution of given differential equation. Now we see the next example. Here we have given differential equation. We compare this equation with this differential equation, then we get m is equals to coefficient of dx, that is 1 plus e raised to power x by y, and n is equals to coefficient of dy. So here coefficient of dy is e raised to power x by y, 1 minus x by y. Now if we take partial differentiation of m with respect to y, then derivative of m partially with respect to y, that means keeping remaining variables as a constant. So here it contains x and y. We are differentiating with respect to y, so we have to keep x as a constant. So partial derivative of this term is derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of e raised to power, it's e raised to power xy, again derivative of power term. So again derivative of power term, so here x is constant because we are differentiating with respect to y partially. Remaining is 1 upon y, and derivative of 1 upon y is minus 1 by y square. So this is the partial derivative of m with respect to y. Similarly, if we differentiate n partially with respect to x, then we get del n by del x is equals to, now see here x contained in the power of e as well as in bracket, so we have to apply here product rule. So I write here first term as it is, derivative of bracket term का derivative with respect to x है, तो here we get minus 1 by y because derivative of 1 is 0 and minus 1 by y is constant, derivative of x is 1. This is the derivative. Then plus second term as it is, derivative of first term, तो e raised to power x y, अगेन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ पावर टर्म, तो x के रिस्पेक्ट में डिफ्रेंशिएट कर रहे हैं, तो 1 अपॉन y इज एज इट इज, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x इज 1 and second term 1 minus x by y as it is. From this term we can take similar term outside, so here e raised to power x by y into 1 upon y is common. If we take outside, then remaining is minus 1, here it is plus 1 minus x by y. So here plus 1 minus 1 cancel, remaining is minus x by y. So it is a e raised to power x by y minus x by y square. This is our suppose equation B and this is equation A. It is del n by del x. Now see, equation A and equation B are same. That means this implies from equation A and B we can say del m by del y is equals to del n by del x. और अगर ये condition satisfied कर रहा है given differential equation, तो we can say therefore the given differential equation is exact. If given differential equation is exact, we know that the solution of exact differential equation is integration of m dx, here y is constant, plus integration of n dy equals to integrating constant c, and in this integral from n we have to take n not contain x. So now see here, integration of m is our 1 plus e raised to the power x by y. Now here if we put the value, then our m is 1 plus e raised to the power x by y dx plus integration of n. Integration of n, from this term we have to take the term without contain x. But now see here, this e raised to the power x by y contain x, and if we multiply by this term, then every term contain x. So there is a no term of without x. So here it is 0 dy equals to constant c. Now integrate this term partially with respect to x, because y is constant. The integration of 1 is x. So integration of this term is e raised to the power x by y divided by 1 upon y. किस तरह से किया है? It is e raised to the power ax dx. The integration of this term is e raised to the power ax divided by constant a. We are integrating here with respect to x. That means 1 upon y is constant. Suppose we take 1 upon y equals to a. Then here it is e raised to the power ax, and integration of e raised to the power ax is e raised to the power ax divided by a. Instead of a, if we put 1 upon y, so then we get this term is equals to c. This term we can write, it is a x plus y e raised to the power x by y is equals to c. This is our final solution of given differential equation.
Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.